Wearables are no longer just decorations in this day and age. They are powerful tools that can have a big effect on our health and well-being. The Apple Watch is one of these that stands out because it can do more than just tell time. We'll look at 10 different ways the Apple Watch can improve your health, showing off its cool features and how they might affect your general health. It used to just be a smartwatch, but now the Apple Watch is a full health and fitness companion. Its advanced features and growing community of apps give users the power to take charge of their health, making it an essential tool for improving health as a whole. Here are 10 different ways that the Apple Watch can help your health. 1. Keep in touch with emergency SOS. The Apple Watch has a tool called Emergency SOS that lets you quickly call 911 and let people you choose know about an emergency. This function gives you peace of mind and makes sure you can quickly get help if you need it. 2. Heart rate monitoring. The Apple Watch has a heart rate monitor built in so users can keep track of their heart rate all day. This function is especially helpful during workouts because it helps people find the best level of intensity for their heart health. 3. Doing breathing exercises. The Apple Watch has a breathing app that can help you calm down and feel less stressed. The app walks you through a set of deep breaths and tells you to take several deep breath breaks during the day. 4. Get personalized alerts to stay hydrated. You can set your Apple Watch to send you alerts to stay hydrated all day. These alerts help you remember to drink enough water, which is important for your health and success. 5. Sleep tracking. With watchOS 7, the Apple Watch added sleep tracking, which lets users see how they're sleeping and set up better sleep schedules. Knowing how well you sleep is important for your health as a whole, and the Apple Watch can help you get better sleep every night. 6. Coaching and mindfulness with third-party apps. You can do guided meditations and mindfulness techniques right on your Apple Watch with third-party apps like Calm and Headspace. You can learn how to deal with stress, sleep better, and feel better emotionally with the help of these tools. 7. Monitoring the noise level. Being around too much noise can hurt your ears and health in general. The Apple Watch has a noise app that checks the amount of background noise and lets you know when it gets too loud, which is good for your hearing. 8. Emergency SOS. If you need help right away, you can use the Apple Watch's Emergency SOS tool to get it. When you press and hold the side button on your watch, it will call 911 and tell them where you are. 9. Fitness tracking and motivation. The Apple Watch has advanced fitness tracking features that keep track of your daily actions, like how many steps you take, how many calories you burn, and how far you walk. One thing that makes it unique is that it can give users real-time feedback and motivational pushes to stay active,